So in my computer keyboard I turn on the number lock, num lock. You can see this is the alt key. I press and hold this alt key. I am not removing my finger from this alt key. At the same time I am going to type here 10561. So after typing 10561 I release my finger from this alt key. So you can see that this symbol have been errored, so you must open your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer and you can try this method. Then you can see that this is a circle and you can see clockwise closed circle arrow. So you can see this arrow pointing towards them in a clockwise manner. So you can see the clockwise closed circle arrow symbol we have created using keyboard shortcut Alt 10561. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.